Cognitive ability tests are commonly used to evaluate the cognitive skills and abilities of candidates applying for healthcare jobs. These abilities include problem-solving, critical thinking, and decision-making skills. The format and specific questions of the test may vary depending on the employer and job role. Here are some general tips to help you prepare for the test. Learn the test format. Research and familiarize yourself with the typical format of cognitive ability tests. These tests usually consist of multiple-choice questions or scenarios that assess various cognitive abilities. Review basic math skills. Refresh your math skills, especially those relevant to healthcare settings. Practice arithmetic calculations, percentages, ratios, and conversions to prepare for questions that involve calculations or numerical reasoning. Enhance logical reasoning skills. Practice solving puzzles, riddles, and logical reasoning problems to sharpen your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. This will help you handle questions that assess your logical reasoning abilities. Improve verbal reasoning skills. Read and summarize articles, analyze written passages, and practice comprehension exercises to improve your verbal reasoning skills. This will help you understand and answer questions related to written information and passages. Develop spatial reasoning skills. Some cognitive ability tests assess spatial reasoning abilities. Practice spatial visualization exercises, such as mentally rotating objects or solving visual puzzles, to enhance your spatial reasoning skills. Take practice tests. Look for sample cognitive ability tests or practice questions that are specific to healthcare roles. These resources can help you become familiar with the types of questions and improve your overall performance. Stay calm and rested. Prioritize self-care and ensure you are well rested before taking the test. Being calm and focused will enhance your ability to concentrate and perform well during the assessment. Remember, practicing and becoming familiar with the types of questions typically included in cognitive ability tests is the key to performing well. By preparing in advance and honing your cognitive skills,